Alright, so I made it to Cedar Point for CoasterMania, my first visit here. First visit for CoasterMania, my third visit for Cedar Point. Very excited to ride Maverick. And Steel Vengeance again. Yeah, I need that credit too. Alright, I'm wearing my sunglasses so I don't know if I'm in frame because I can't see the screen.
You are.
Okay, thank you.
I am too.
Okay, yeah, I can't see anything. It's these sunglasses, they're polarized, so they reduce a lot of LCD screens. So, we're at Cedar Point now. There's the biggest lawn ornament in the state of Ohio.
We're at Magic Mountain.
And we got a bunch of ERT out coming up. We're gonna hit out Corkscrew and Magnum. Alright, so I just got off Magnum and Corkscrew. We're gonna do the kiddie rides because I need to do Wellness Run still. Because you can only get it during this if you don't have a kid, I think. Well, anyways, there goes Maverick. Not Maverick, Magnum. Wellness Run. The only time you can ever get this credit is during this. Unless you have a kid, I think. Gotta go around twice because it's probably a normal cycle. But nothing special. First instrument, piece of history. This is a line for Steel Vengeance. I switched my phone from my normal camera, mostly because I can actually see when I'm recording. It's absolutely insane. So we're going to do Gemini and Cedar Creek Mine Ride. Hopefully the line will die down a bit. I don't think it will, but hopefully it will. Alright, so I just got off Cedar Creek Mine Ride. It's a mine ride, not much more else to say. Alright, just got off both sides of Gemini. Did you say we? There's a bunch of people here. Yeah, hey, full exception. So now we're doing Pipe Scream. I don't know if I'll count as a credit or not, but we'll see. I haven't done the White Kings Island, so I can always sneak back there and do it. Alright, currently in line for Steel Vengeance. We'll probably only get one ride in. The line's kind of long, but it appears to be moving, so that's good. It's also the third best arm in the country, behind Lightning Rod and Storm Chaser. Or maybe you can put it down below Outlaw. Alright, so I just got Steel Vengeance. I still think it's the third best RMC. Now we're going to do lunch because we just realized we have specific times. Yeah. Also, I really want to do the Maverick Infield Tour. I'm looking forward to that a lot. So, yeah, we'll do that. Alright, so I got my food and my drink. It's pretty good. I wish I would feed us some of like their new offerings. It would have been amazing if they did, but this is still pretty good. Alright, so I just ate. Kind of split up a little. We're gonna do Raptor next. It's right there. So we're gonna wait by the entrance for the rest of the group. So we just got off Raptor. That ride's running better than last year. I mean, it might be my new favorite invert now. I have no idea. It just rips your feet off like nothing else. Alright, so we just did Raptor. Now we're heading directly to... Actually, the mall by me has this and one of their little coaster kiddie POV things. So we just got off Blue Streak. What do you think about it?
Better than I remembered.
Same here.
Yeah.
A little better than I remember, but I did wheel seat and it...
More airtime than I remember.
Yeah, it had some airtime. It jostled me around a little bit too, but I did wheel seat. Just got done with the Maverick walkback tour. We got some really nice angles, and even saw a duel a couple times, and got really close to a couple more. So I think I got a couple shots of it. I know someone got it on video. I don't know who, but someone got it on video. Alright, so we just got off Millennium Force. It broke down where we got in, fasten seatbelts, hold the lap bar down, then it broke down for maintenance. So then we went to do a Rougarou, then we went back and did Millennium Force. We shut down the lines early for both Steel Vengeance and Maverick, which I'm a little disappointed in, to do their Wild Frontier Nights ERT, paid ERT for like $100. Not very happy with it. Alright, so cut back to when I said we won't be getting Steel Vengeance or Maverick night rides. So some lady gave us 4 tickets to this ERT event that cost like $100. Just simply out of kindness or something. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So tickets were actually legit. You know, my cowboy hat, my pass, my 21 over, so I can get alcohol that I'm not gonna buy because I gotta drive and I'm being responsible. Don't drink and drive. This is the cowboy hat. Gives me authority.
2022. Let's go.
Hey, vlogception.
CoasterMania and Wild Frontier Nights.
Go get it, yeehaw.
Who would have thought? This is going to be a long video for me.
This vlog is just getting longer and longer. Yeah, I'm probably gonna scratch Waldemir. We're playing Western music. This is great. Woo! Woo!
Zero alcohol is consumed.
We're being responsible. We're not drinking and driving.
Woo! Let's see what's going on.
Because
There's no one over here.
I don't want to. Plus, it's very illegal.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
This event just keeps getting better and better. Alright, so I'm ending the night out at, what do you call it? Wild Frontier Nights. I rode Maverick 4 times in a row, including a Zen ride. Yes, a Zen ride on Maverick, and no, I'm not kidding you. I say this event is very nice. 21 and over, you can get a lot of night rides on Steel Vengeance and Maverick and Cedar Creek Vine Ride. Definitely go with it, go for it. You might luck out and get a Maverick Zen ride. If you have the money. I think it's just a little bit overpriced. To include it in CoasterMania, I would definitely do it. So they ended out here with a nice view of Gemini in the back. Yeah! Nate doing a yeehaw. Give this video a big yeehaw and like if you liked it. If you didn't, well, you're wrong, I guess. Also, Rip Dragster. This event is, I don't know what to say. I'm kind of speechless because I'm still in shock of the Maverick Zen ride. So another change of plans. I'm still not going to Waldemir. I'm going to Scene 75 in Dayton. And then I'm also going to go to the Uranus Fudge Factory in Indiana because it's basically on my way home. Alright, so I just got off that. Started running music. It's a little loud, but that's the best SBF Visa spinner I've ever done. I actually got some pretty good air time on it, especially on the last cycle. It's pretty good. This place is very big and looks like a lot of fun. I'm actually going to do the home runs. I don't know if I'll put it in the video. Probably can't. Alright, so I pulled over in Anderson, Indiana, where the Uranus Fudge Factory is. The other one. Not the one that's on the way to Silver Dollar City from St. Louis. But they put in another one just off of I-69. yeah, I got some fudge packed. I got a shirt, some magnets, stickers. Yeah. I'm just eating my lunch now and back home. This is probably going to be the end of it. So that's it for this vlog. I'll see you guys in the next one, if there's a next one. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like this video if you liked it. Comment this video, subscribe if you really enjoyed it. It means a lot. Help me defeat YouTube's algorithm.